journalists go into a highly pressurised, emotionally charged and potentially volatile situation and subsequently antagonise members to such an extent in order to warrant in order to elicit a response, and then clip that response and post it online in the hope of going viral.
Is this a widespread issue, and has it been a widespread issue for members?
Yes. There have been occasions where they have been in members' faces, yes. And it has a toll, takes a toll on the members personally, and also with their family as well, because behind every guard there is a family, and that's important to recognise and acknowledge.
And has the Garda Síochána given any training to members about how to deal with this, or how
to date? There is media training for some elements, but nothing to deal with the aftermath of citizen journalism. I would argue that transparency and accountability is there for everyone. However, again, what we're dealing with here is about the antagonism of members, and that's important to remember. We are all paid to do a job, and we do that job, and it's a case of, you don't hear of, you go into your NCT centre and you get your car NCT'd, and there's signposts everywhere whereby you can't film in that particular area, whereas we don't have that benefit. Where we conference for three key elements. The first one being clear practical guidelines for members so that they know what to do when they're being filmed. The second part is for legal protections to stop members being online harassment, undue, unwarranted online harassment or doxing in some cases. And then the third one is then for management to support members when they do find themselves a victim of. From first-hand experience that I have dealt with members. I'm a supervisor of supervisors, and I have been in a situation whereby there are members that have been exposed to this, and then we have to deal with the aftermath thereafter. I think it's something that we have to, there are smartphones in everyone's hands. You're holding one right now, and you're going to post online and in real time. And these are things that people need to be aware of. And in any way, shape or form where people are exposed to this, they may be a little bit hesitant. And then at the end of the day, the member or other members' safety, or indeed members of the public, would be affected by that. I would like to think, and I would like to revere Garda stations as a safe space for those that are seeking refuge from aggressors. And anyone who comes into a Garda station, there is a potential that they are there to report a crime. And if people come into a Garda station and film them, they're putting them at risk. Before Christmas, there was a call out for anyone that was a victim of coercive control or domestic violence to come into a Garda station and report that. And then there are cases whereby auditors have come in and filmed members of the public doing that, and that doesn't put them in a safe space.